What's up, YouTube? We're back with yet another video. Today we have the GA2100, the gray edition Casio Oak. As you can see, haven't even opened it, haven't even looked at it. So let's check that out together. Let's go. All right, YouTube, here we go. We're gonna open up this awesome looking watch. A lot of people have talked about it. There's a lot of demand for this watch. And tip for those who are watching, those who are my subscribers, this watch has now become restocked at Macy's.com. So check it out, look for it there. A lot of the other stores have sold out. And matter of fact, this watch is fetching over retail right now. People are reselling them because the demand is pretty high and the watch is no longer available. But Macy's just restocked it, and it's been available for a few days already, maybe even a week. Just got mine in the mail after patiently waiting, and I thought I'd share with you the unboxing as well as the... Come on, Macy's, are you kidding me? Just a tin? All right. I love it because Macy's has a reputation for doing this. They drive me crazy. Come on, Macy's. No box? Really? All right. We'll get... With that being said, purchase at your own risk. Macy's does have a reputation for, one, missing products, boxes, manuals, tins, mixing stuff up, which is horrible when it comes to collaborations, because collaborations are usually come with a custom box, right? So you don't want to mix that or lose that. But in this case, they didn't send a box at all. Come on. But nevertheless, they're in stock. If you want to buy one from Macy's.com, please feel free to do so. Buy at your own risk, as you see here. I have not, and look at this, it doesn't even have the little bag in there. You can tell they've been messing around with these watches, but buy at your own risk, guys. They're sold out pretty much everywhere. So if you don't mind dealing with the hassle of missing pieces or whatever, then this would be an option for you. Here's the tag, the model number GA2110. Oh, it's a 2110. I wonder why it's 20. I thought it was 2100, but GA2110ET-8A. 8 is usually a white colorway, but make sure this is not used, because now I'm a little upset about Macy's not including my box. But here, check this puppy out. This model has gained so much traction, so much demand, very popular. The GA2100, in this case 2110. Here's the gray color. Now let me say that in person, the gray does really well. It doesn't look... I was a little worried that it was either too bright or too dull, but it's perfect gray. It's like what I was expecting in my memory, in my head, that it would look like. That's exactly how it looks like. But here's the Casio Oak watch. It's a great watch. Overall, it's popular because of it looks so much like another Oak watch that's out there. It's quite expensive, and it's kind of a tribute to that watch, I would say. And very clean watch, analog and digital display. You can see that they're very legible, easy to read. Here's the modes. Not a lot of modes available in this watch. It's not solar power, it's a quartz movement. World time, stopwatch, timer, alarms. How many alarms do they have? Alarm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And signal. So it's got 5 alarms, it looks like. Mode, and back to your home time. Day of the week there, it's not a mode window, it's actually just the day of the week. So it's pointing at, looks like Saturday at the moment. I haven't set the time, you just saw me unbox it. So hold to adjust, set. All right, put this to Chicago. Nice fluid motion on the hour and minute hand. A lot of the older models, this was very slow, and I've noticed that they've improved the speed of the motors, and the hands adjust much more faster. So set this to Chicago. Next button here, mode. Daylight savings time's off. 12-hour format. Seconds. Let's go with, I don't know what time it is. Let's do 108. Sure. Fine. All right. 2021. That sounds good to me. February 5th. Sure. Why not? Key. Yes, I wanted to turn on. Light. I wanted to be that. Push the adjust button to set it. And then there you go. It's Friday. Now it's much better. The digital time should match the analog time on here. But in the meantime, let me show you the rest of this watch. The rest of this feels like quite comfortable. I have the black edition of this watch. It's quite comfortable actually. It's not that bad. Gray resin. Now this might get faded or might actually get stained with time. So just be kind of mindful of that. The back plate, stainless steel. This is a carbon core guard, so that's why it's so thin. Module 5611, GA2110ET, Japan movement, case in Thailand. You also have this awesome quick release there. There we go. You can see that quick release. Just twist this way. Matter of fact, let's see if I can do it now. So pretty much just flick this to the right there, like that, and out comes the band. Push it back in place there, lock it. Go. It's out. See how it flicks? So now it's released the band. You could now remove it, but put it back in there. Oops. Go. Push it. Now it's back and locks back in place. Very simple, easy design. Much easier than the old spring bars, which are a hassle. They would fly all over the place. Very annoying. Carbon core guard though gives you a nice, very thin watch because of the carbon core design they've designed on this watch. The carbon core makes it much thinner. The inner components are protected, make it G-shock protection, but they've designed it where it's enclosed in like a it looks like a gel, I think. Instead of the old metal and plastic frame, that gives you a thinner dimension on the watch. Nice. I don't know how I feel about this dark gray though on the top. I think it's, I mean, I get it. It makes sense because it gives it some kind of different kind of color change. It would have been weird, I guess, if it all was the same color. But what do you guys think? Do you think that the gray makes it or breaks it? I'm not sure if you want it uniformed where the entire watch itself is gray. I don't know, but here is on a wrist. Thin watch, guys. This is a unisex watch for men and women and children. If you have the wrist size for it. I have a 6.5-inch wrist, so I have a smaller size wrist. And here it is on my wrist. You can see it's not a bad size at all. Okay. Nice. Very clean. There's actually some Jordans that are coming out. I think there's some that are already out, the gray ones. But this one's, I think this would be a great fit for that watch, for that Jordan and G-Shock match. Nevertheless, here it is, guys. The GA2110ET-8, right? I got that right. And then now it's time to call Macy's and complain about the lack of box. Oh goodness, good times. 5611 module, guys. Again, great watch. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. A lot of G-Shock content, reviews, unboxings, information. Like for example, this one, if you buy it, you might be able to flip it for some little cash. Might not be helpful if you don't have the box for it though. If you're interested in this watch, I'm gonna try to get the box. If I can't, I understand. I am willing to sell it for retail at my cost plus shipping. But it is for sale currently at the time of this video on Macy's.com for retail price. Till next time, guys, this is Chicago. Holla at your boys. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.